Grilled mahi-mahi. Smile!
Okay, one more for me.
Oo, please.
Ang mahal niya, no?
54.
Ah,
Pwede na. Excursion.
Maybe, okay, I heard one.
mine?
Can we go there?
Yung tripod. Yung tripod nasa box. Alam niyo, bigyan ng space yan. Ano gagawin natin? Ayok. Why not? Oh, there's people kasi. Be patient. It's not like that. Thank you.
Correct.
Kasi
Kasi nakita ko yung picture sa Monkey Forest. Nag-rafting tayo niyan, kumpleto, nakapagpalit pa, ang ganda ng mga palitan.
Yun din sabi ko.
Ngayon, kulang-kulang. Kasi pagod na kagabi.
pero buti yung rafting.
Naglaro pa. Naglaro pa ng go.
Naglaro pa, McDonald's.
Nag-McDo pa.
Kasi kung nag-rafting tayo ngayon, pagod na.
Perfect lang.
Bago ko din kung na-late si rafting. Tapos inuna natin si
Ano yung stop, Eric?
their vlog nga, and naniwa is Bling is mouth always open.
Cigarette what makes us smoke.
Now you
Ano
know.
daw mukha kami pa yun?
There is like stuff. Yeah. So I'm just trying to make sure
French fries?
Wow, I love it.
Like Tibbles to, diba?
Can I have?
yeah.
This one. Thank you.
Yeah, more. Just put it in the
He knows that you don't eat kasi, so you can have more. Dami niya nakain kasi kinakain.
Patingin, ano yung tsura ng tinapay?
Pretty. Yan nasi goreng. I love it.
Dumi. Di ba masarap? Ay, masarap. Ay, masarap. Sino masarap? Tao.
Mine. Thank you. Ay, may ano doon.
Ang sarap yung sambal.
May
like that.
Yung sambal.
ano yung sambal?
Yung ano, toast.
Hey, hold it. They don't really bullshit.
Ay, may talong.
They have better food here than our airports probably.
Ba't ganun yung nasa ng place?
Masarap, mangga. Yung worst talaga yung
Ano yung mga
Pero kahit sila hindi naman nila nirecommend eh.
Hindi malamig, no?
Parang binigay na lang nila sa atin ang option yun dahil nakita nila yung mga sitwasyon ng mga
Sino?
tao. Yung mga driver.
Option nyo.
Hindi nila talaga yun.
Kasi Crystal.
Stop mo muna.
Sila na yung maglalakad.
May videographer na tayo.
Naku, mawawalan pa ng trabaho si Eric. Sa bagay, lagi naman siyang videographer.
At saka perfect. May hiniwa na niya. Madali nang balatan.
No one knows what a place.
Mamaya, kati-kati na naman.
Grilled mahi-mahi.
Tastes yummy.
Alam ko mag-grilled crispy chicken burgers.
Very good. Very
Pero diba? Gusto ko kumain
Kailangan natin ng water. No? Diba bakit yung
It's just the best.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
What song?
Mechanics of the game. Explain.
Teacher is going to play a music. You play it and you stop.
When you
Okay.
stop, when the music stops.
You stop.
Eh wala, tatapusin nila. Symphonic club.
Okay, sige, go.
Iwag naman symphonic club.
You tell me if it's to the left or to the right.
Ah, okay. Right.
Right.
Tignan mo, nauna-una ka
Uy,
eh.
di naman left and right.
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 Left.
Babalik yung Spencer.
Stop.
We're thinking the same thing.
Uy, alam na, one more.
It's okay,
She
it's okay.
already know.
No, it's
Ay,
okay.
Oh, what happened to the game?
No,
She
we're...
bought the
She brought
glasses.
this kasi. And then, this is from Spencer.
Okay.
Oh, sabi na eh.
Pare-pareho.
Pare-parehas
Hindi
tayo
tayo
ng
pareha.
Uy, ito yung nabili ko sa Shopee. Dito pati. Uy, ito yung nabili ko sa Shopee.
I told you not to. I said to buy something
Uy,
else.
hindi yun funny.
Walang funny, be.
Funny yan.
Uy, ganyan yung nabili ko sa Shopee. Ganyan yung nabili ko sa Shopee. Dito mat epic to.
Siya lang successful.
Oh, neg-
I should have bought the ano.
Where's that from? Via.
Lady Gaga.
Ha? From Spencer.
Oh, yeah.
Baga!
Look at me, babe. Look at me.
Uy, alam mo, kung dumating, alien ka din. We think alike.
Ito yung mother alien.
So, I knew it. They're gonna also...
I told you.
Alam, we think alike. Akin din, alien yung na-order ko.
Ako din.
Hindi lang dumating. Yung sa'yo. Hindi lang dumating. Taas ng taas. The mother alien, no?
The mother alien? I'm sad. Because we're all aliens.
Alam nyo, in-expect ko
I get
kasi,
my camera.
ang bibili nyo yung may pakyo, tsaka yung malalaki.
Uy,
diba? Yeah.
I was thinking I'm gonna buy face shield. Honey said, oh, just buy a face shield. But I said, it's not sunglasses eh.
No, I told Taha everyone's gonna order the top you, so don't get the top you.
Ay, nakita pala. Picture.
No, the...
Ulo ka. Pero alien mo.
Alien din yung akin.
Ayun nga yung sabi ni Kuya, nagpa-shopping ka ba? Akala ko na-scam ako eh. Ito in order mo.
Sabi ko sa inyo, July 10 na receipt. Teka lang.
Ngayon, ang dami ng alien sa bahay.
Ayoko nga.
Hindi ko kaya.
1, 2, 3, smile. Smile.
Okay, one more for me.
One more.
I'm sad.
Okay, ready? Alien, please. Okay, 2, 1.
Na lang mukha ko niyan.
Dapat ganun, iti ka nga eh. Iti phone home.
Ay, grabe.
You think alike?
Nag-alien tayo lahat.
Toilet. Toilet. So, umorder ako ng lechon. Babi guli.
Voice over. Ganun pala. Ano ang vlogger? Ah, nakabalot siya.
Nag-plate ka pa.
Ito na. Charan! Where is the lechon? Charan! Where is the lechon? Ade! Gelp, may balat. Ah, sa ilalim. Oo, please.
Ang mahal niya, no?
54.
Ah,
Pwede na.
oo.
Tapos may crispy pork. Kapal lang mukha magmaanghang, mamaya mga tinalalamunan. Crispy pa, no?
Kaya,
Buno.
hindi pa okay.
Oh, wow, milkshake. Tapos lalo na nga.
Wala na ba pangit eh? Hindi
Try mo na
Ay,
kainin.
may parang laing nga. So, babi guling is like letson. This is the balat. Oh, the balats. Can I eat the balat with us?
Yeah.
Tapa. Ba't ginanya mo na yung coke?
Si Taha yan.
Ano yung alay?
Parang katapon na siguro yun. May kanin pala yun eh.
Mm. Mm.
Masarap lechon natin.
So, sarap yung lechon natin. Wala sila dyan.
Siguro pag gabi ako.
May water pa. Yan na nga pa. Sasabi ko. Hanghang. Makanghang din yung tsaka.
No. Sabay mo siya dun sa live. Pagsama-samahin.
Hanghang.